Hey guys, so if you're watching this video, you're most likely having issues shifting your vehicle transmission into gear. This is for a Nissan Armada 2010. So hopefully this helps some people. I just had this issue literally like 30 minutes ago. I've never had an issue with the shifter before in any other vehicles, but so I'm up at the gas station, get some gas, and I come back outside and my transmission won't go into gear. My shifter wasn't stuck. I mean, I can move it up and down between the gears, but the transmission gears weren't switching, so I couldn't get it into reverse drive, none of that. So I just kind of on the spot did some troubleshooting, and this is what I figured out. So it's kind of simple. First, you want to remove the trim. So you want to remove this rear trim piece. You just kind of have to pry at it, and it'll pop off. And then for this one, you get in behind here, and on the left here, you pull up, and then you also pull up on the left. But first, remember to remove your shifter knob. Just turn it counterclockwise, and it'll come off. So once you have that shifter knob off, you just pull up on the rear here, on the left and right, and then you come up here to the front. Just kind of finagle it. Mine took some working to come off, but it finally got off. Move it to the side. And what you're going to be looking for is this right here. This is your transmission cable that links your shifter mechanism to your transmission. So what happens is either this coupler piece breaks, or like with what my issue was, is that there's a soft bushing in there that deteriorates over time, and mine crumbled into a million pieces and allows the shifter to become unattached. So mine was just laying over here to the side. So what you want to do is just slip it back on there, and what I did was just hold it in place. It'll kind of just stay there, and then I was able to shift it into the gear I needed to get on home. So that's it. Hopefully this helps someone out there.